to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet. Ugh. To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat, but they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf, but try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school. I'm so lame. Ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen! Seriously? Dude. The hell? And on my birthday, too! Like I'm not already late enough! Gross! Stupid! Undead douchebags! This is so irritating!
stupid. Be safe or be sorry.
Hold it right there! You zombie jerks! I'll help you!
Awesome! I'm still alive!
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone
Be
else
careful.
out. Look out! Incoming!
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving. Your license should be revoked, bro!
I'll rip out your taint.
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, Herb! Don't be looking at my skirt! Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Great. See one more. I got it. All right.
We gotta deliver them eggs.
Watch out!
Come on, get away from me!
Hold on, I'm coming!
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding. Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones, but I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
Fuck off! Get away!
Okay! Impressive!
Speed is for suckers.
Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Where to be?
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead! Just a second!
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping! I wonder what they have. anything. That's it! Let's go! Awesome! Time to shop! There it is! There it is! That's it! That's it! Well...
Be my girl!
Get out of my way! I'm in a hurry! He's not dead! Please move! I'm in a hurry!
Decontaminate! Decontaminate!
Hey! Respect people's property! Ready? Go! Now this! Done and done! Oh, Nick, please be okay. Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet!
I'm so hungry.
Ah! Ow! Shit!
Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
Oh, no. It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck! I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick. No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby. Okay then.
Excellent!
Awesome! Nick!
Oh. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to!
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad!
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me!
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie?
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks.
Uh-oh.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit! Leave me alone! Get away! Help!
I hate when people die.
I fucked up my math test! I need help!
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
I've got shit running down my legs from the...
Fuck! I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Stay back! Get off! Ah!
Whoa! That was close!
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa, whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
I found something! I wonder what they have. What should I get? Check this out! Check this out! I found something! There it is! There it is! Well? God, I love shopping. I found something! Well,
Awesome!
God, you're hot. I love you, baby. Nick toss.
Sweet!
You're late, Juliet.
Where's my ammo? But great, those jerks trapped us in here.
How lame. Thanks a lot.
To the chair!
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair.
Dying hurts so bad.
No! Soda makes your bones weak. Oh man, their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Fun!
How was that fun?
Oh my god!
What the heck is this? Watch out!
what those jerks did to our school.
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday. Come!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole! That's the dude who stranded us. Yeah, he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Or we could.
Juliet, I am so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
Totally. Ready? Okay. London, we slay. Go. Die. Zombie. Scum. Yay. You're already dead.
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Wasegoi, watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
There's something
You're
else
like
written.
a kitten.
It says zombie
A kitten that
basketball.
doesn't
Time
speak
limit 3
Japanese.
minutes. You lose
Yeah, okay.
and blam. What? Game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing them zombies. How many points can you rack up? relieved, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Where's that voice coming from?
We need to get out of here!
Emergency! 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 Rock and roll!
Ready? Go!
Don't be late.
Kill him before he blows up! Yeah, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Oh, dead frogs! Gross!
That's gross. Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming?
Lard-ass bait.
Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Nick, go and fetch him. Pull his guts out from his rectum.
It's dangerous to run here. Dangerous.
Pussy power.
Hey, it's Dead Starsky and Hutch.
You guys have no respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up. Done and done. Zombies taste my pizza. Now I hate you on a carrot top.
Homework already?
Heat it up. and again with the door. It's irritating!
Wash your hands!
God, I... Click, click! Let's go! Sensei!
Ah, Juliet! One moment, please. Hey, Rasai! Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Ah, correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world, and the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes, Sensei!
Check, check. 1, 2, 3.